uh, Phoenix-Liveview series. So today I will be work with async operations and show loaders and errors and also render SVG assets. Let's move on to the code. Yeah, so this is a home page, home live. Here I have the get page title and I am assigning org with async result loading, and I'm using start async. So start async gives the primitives to work with async operations. So what I am doing here, I'm just fetching result. So let's see what's fetch res. I'm just sleeping for 200 milliseconds and I'm returning OK, my organization name here. And I also added a handle async callbacks. So this my task is coming from here, this one, and OK. So here start async takes an anonymous function and returns a OK or error tuple. So if you see the official documents, it says it just wraps in a task and invokes a callback to handle the result, and we have to handle that in a async callback. So here I'm handling it. So this first OK comes from the start async, and this second OK and fetched org is coming from here, this one. And I am also added pattern matching to handle the error case. So this error I will invoke, I just commented here, and so this again if something goes wrong with uh, start async, it will return this one. So I couldn't invoke this, but this is recommended in the official documents. Let's see the render function what I have here. It's just a render. I'm rendering a div, and this part is this one now, and I just commented out some code here. Let me uncomment this and save it. Yeah, you can see there is a loader and my organization name here. It is coming from this one. Let me also uncomment the error case, save it. Yeah, it is loading. You can see the error. I just added some color to error message. If you see the async result, this is coming from a live view component. Let's see what is there. Yeah, async result, and it has a slots, a loading and a failed. That code, let me explain what is happening here. So loading, the moment I added this loading here, it catches here, it catches and shows the loading, and after I fetch the message, I'm also adding async result OK. The moment it says OK, this function comes here. This code will be shown on the UI, and on the error case adding async result failed and adding the error message. This error message is this one here. And let me go to the UI, refresh the page. Yeah, there is a loader and a message. Let me uncomment the error message and save it. Yeah, you can see there is a loader and this is the message what I'm sending here. You can do whatever things you want here. You can get data from the database or from external services and fetch or the in the Elixir, whatever the last message or the whatever you add here, that will be the returned uh, result of the function, because it is a functional and that is how the Elixir works. So let me go to the loader where I'm, yeah, show loader. This is a component. I just copied this SVG file from the internet and I added some Tailwind CSS just to center and make the loader little big. You can play with this how you want it to be. Yeah, and again SVG files. So there are two types of rendering methods in live. So this is one way. This you can add the SVG code directly in the HTML code and you can render this one. And another way where you can add SVG files here. This is the SVG code and this is the logo of the Phoenix, this one, and I'm showing that here image and source. This is the path of the file and you can play with the sizes. Yeah, so this is how you can use SVG files. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.